Imagine picking up your phone, dialing a number, and having a conversation with one of the most advanced AI systems in the world. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, OpenAI has just made that a reality with their newest groundbreaking feature, 1-800 Chat GPT. In this video, we are diving deep into this revolutionary update and how you can talk to Chat GPT anytime, anywhere. Buckle up, because this is big. Yes, you heard it right. OpenAI is offering a way for you to talk to ChatGPT through the phone. It's called 1-800 ChatGPT, a toll-free number you can call to interact with ChatGPT just like you would a real person. Forget the app or website now, the power of ChatGPT is just a phone call away. Whether you are stuck in traffic, on a long road trip, or chilling at home, just dial 1-800 ChatGPT and start talking to one of the world's smartest AIs. And the best part? You get 15 minutes free every month. That's 15 minutes of AI-powered conversation, no account needed, no internet required. It's the ultimate convenience. And if you are outside the US, don't worry, you can still access ChatGPT through WhatsApp. Just save the number and start texting. Here's how it works. In the US and Canada, simply dial 1-800-242-8478 and boom. You are connected to ChatGPT. It's as easy as making a phone call. You'll hear a voice prompt saying, "Hi, I'm ChatGPT, your AI assistant. How can I help?" Then, just talk. Ask anything. Want to know the weather? Need help with a math problem? Or maybe you just want to chat, ChatGPT's got you covered. And the best part? You don't need a fancy smartphone or high-speed internet. Whether you are using a feature phone, an old flip phone, or the latest iPhone, this new service works across the board. That's right, ChatGPT on your classic flip phone. Now, that's something you don't see every day. So, what can you do with this? Well, the possibilities are endless. Whether you are a student needing help with homework, a traveler looking for local recommendations, or just someone who wants to have an interesting conversation with an AI, 1-800 ChatGPT is your personal assistant, right in your pocket. It's like having a genius at your fingertips on the go. Ever wondered what is the meaning of life? Or maybe you are curious about the latest tech trends? ChatGPT has the answers. Ask it anything. The conversation feels just like talking to a knowledgeable friend who's always there to help. Now, let's talk about why this is so special. OpenAI didn't just stop at making ChatGPT available on the phone, they've developed advanced voice mode technology. This allows for free-flowing, contextual conversations, just like you would have with a real person. And you might be wondering what's the catch? Well, here's the thing, for now, you get 15 free minutes per month to chat, but as OpenAI continues to improve this feature, we might see more changes in the future. And while we are on the topic of privacy, don't worry. OpenAI is clear that they're not training their models using the conversations from these phone calls. This is just about giving you access to the AI, no strings attached. But that's not all. OpenAI is on a mission to make AI more accessible, and this is just the beginning. With their aggressive growth plans, partnerships with major tech giants like Microsoft and Apple, and now this phone integration, ChatGPT is becoming a core part of how we interact with technology. As more and more features get added, you can expect even more ways to access ChatGPT. Video, voice, text, it's all coming together in ways we've never seen before. And with OpenAI's big announcements in the coming months, this is just the start of a revolution. Are you ready to experience the future of AI? All you need to do is grab your phone, dial 1-800 Chat GPT, and let the conversation begin. And don't forget, this is just the beginning. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on this insane new feature. Let us know what you would ask ChatGPT in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.